We got an iPhone 7 Plus. Previously, restart on the Apple logo. So, we decide to restore. If you got an iPhone, restart on the Apple logo. First try by removing all flags. Sometimes ear speaker flags make such issues. I tried by removing all flags, but the problem was still the same. I decided to restore the iPhone. Put the iPhone on recovery mode and restore it with latest version of firmware. If you use low version of firmware, then error occurs. 3194. While the restore process like to be started, the iPhone reboots to recovery mode and the restore process was stopped, and a message shows this iPhone couldn't be restored and error occurs 9, means there must be hardware issues. Remove all flags and let's look at PCB status. That seems to be normal and no any prior repair sign. Error 9 on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus actually from the NAND side. The corrupted NAND that can be formatted. PCIe NAND can be erased. So only you can be format low level. Clear epoxy resin carefully. Small parts near NAND might be loose or open. Clear all pads carefully. Must be flat and shine. In my case, NAND data was corrupted and source NAND data that can be recovered, so I use a new NAND without data. Put the NAND in correct position. Again, you have to restore fully. Here you can see the progress bar was started, means the new NAND working. Now the restore process is complete and iPhone is now on hello screen. While trying to activate the iPhone, it failed to activate with a message unable to activate. So you need the whole data that was a NAND. In my case, NAND is corrupted and data can't be recovered. So I use GSX service. This service will provide Wi-Fi address by IMEI. So you can restore your old data by that service. Then I restore the data by using repair pattern without removing NAND. This device allows you to restore NAND data without removing NAND on purple mode. This video explains all the process that how you can fix error 9 on the easy way. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. Now the iPhone is activated. Now error 9 is fixed. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Solution and peace out till the next time.